Hey everybody, short and sweet. Got ourselves a TEAC X7 here. Actually, I've had this for a while. Little secret about these, and this is true of just about every TEAC. You don't use it. What happens is the tape lift starts to get slow, or it just starts to bind up, or it slows molasses engaging and disengaging. So I took care of that. Did a belt check on the inside as well. All the belts are good, all two of them. One's capstan belt, and of course one's a tape counter belt. So those are all taken care of. I bought another set of belts just in case. I thought I might need it, but evidently I don't. So I ordered the correct deoxit so I can clean the controls. I don't have the correct deoxit to do that. If I try to do that, I'll damage the carbon track that's inside the potentiometers, and I don't want to do that. So that's on its way probably here Tuesday. But just usual maintenance otherwise on the TEAC. Clean all the roller bearings, the buffer, these tension arms, okay, all those. So looking to get this guy back 100% again. I haven't used them in probably getting close to a year. So I kind of got what I deserved. All right, quick video, nothing big. So just wanted to share. See ya.